Hi guys, we are at the park and this is the bridge. I went to the field trip here and the teacher said that we cannot go to the bridge. So come on, let me show you the bridge. This is the rock, and over here, this is the rocks and the water. That's cute, isn't it? There's some fishes in there. There's a lot of fish. They're probably frogs, diba? Momo, Momo, niya paa niya.
Lah,
Niya paa niya.
lah tak boleh. Ni kopi leleng.
Now I'm going to show you guys the park. This is where people sit at. And this says, in memory of Grace, Val, donated by Philippine and Lana Greer. And this is the light. This is the tree. If the kids get tired, the kids sit there. Come on, sit with me, Pa. Sit with me. This is my favorite swing. We had this at school. Angelina needed a little push, but I didn't give her a push. I teached her. Okay. So, put your feet over here. I'll put wash up in it. Do this. Put this feet over here and this left feet copy it. Okay? Keep going back until stop. If you're close to the grass. Oh no. If you're close to the grass. And then let go of your legs. And then if you're way too close here, scoot it and over here and do this. See how? Do that, but make it a little bit farther. This is where the kids run at. Follow me, come, follow me. This is the slide. This is the slide. Okay? That's the slide. This is where we go down and up. This is where kids swing. They do this. Practice. Swing and go back. Swing, go back. You do another one if you want to go that side. Swing, swing, here, close. Here. Over here is the monkey bars, but I can't reach it. I can't reach that. So this is where go up. This is where kids bounce. my classmates would play with this. And yeah. Okay. Next part. This is where kids go down and up. Like this. Go here. Here. Touch this tight, because if you don't touch it tight or don't touch it tight. But if you do yeah. I'm scared of dogs, okay? Go down. Go down. And then go up. Go up. This is the slide. This is the rock. This is the rock climb. Put your feet over here. This side. Here. Put this hand over here. Then hold over here tightly. See that hole over here? Touch over here. Here. Second part is this one. I need to take off my shoes. This is where I slide down. But you can see there. This is where I slide down. The most favorite part is I can even go back up there. And sometimes kids come up here. I can also climb up there. Over here is scary. Next part. Here, kids climb up and down. Over here. Over here. Over there. Kids do this. Look at my mom. Here. Make sure to hold it tightly. And this is where you can see your friends. And over here, we're gonna go to the slide. Kids also play McDonald's. Over there, kids walk up. Over here, kids slide down and go up. Okay. I'm gonna go back that way. And then, kids, I went to second grade recess and I fell down. So we have to hold this tight. Over here. Hold this. And yeah. Over here is tunnel. Fight. This is where kids hide. Now over here, if kids is playing game, they come over here. Come here. Do you want 10 McChickens? Do you want Infinity McChicken?
No.
Okay. This is
Carpet. No, baby.
This is where kids sit, but kids put wood chip. Where you see stuff, over here, my favorite part. If I come this side, Tuga,
Okay, go.
a little path. This is where kids climb up. Probably sit down. Okay, kids climb up here. Yeah. You guys might already know that, but look. You might get to slide down, but I'm gonna leave my shoes here. And kids climb up sometimes. Oh, slippery. Slippery. Oh, if I go that side,
Where?
let me show you.
Where?
I want to go that side again. I forgot to mention you guys this. Kids sometimes sit here and go over there. And then over here, it's the slide. Sometimes. I will sometimes do this. If I have no friends. If I have no friends, I'll do this. Today I have no friends, so I'm doing this one. Kids climb up like this. Kids climb up like this. Little boys climb like this. Little boys climb like this. Ah! Little boys climb like this.
Let's go home.
And I climb like this.
Mm.
I climb like this. I forgot to mention this. This is the memory of the park. This is the memory of the park. They put a lot of rocks. Wait, someone left the rocks. Over here, kids will walk. No. And then bye-bye, guys. We're gonna go home. Bye. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Love you.